Hi there. Today we are talking about survey basics. In this video, you will learn about reading the azimuth scale on the theodolite. First, let's see what the azimuth measurement means. Our first survey goal is to find the position of the rod. We record the distance from the theodolite to the rod. And then we measure the azimuth angle. Here you see the theodolite and the rod. You often measure the distance to the rod with a tape measure. That leaves the azimuth angle. The azimuth angle is the horizontal angle measurement for the 0 point as the theodolite is turned to line up with the rod. Here is how azimuth angles are reported. Often, the surveyor will write them as degrees, minutes, and seconds. There are 360 degrees in a full circle, so degrees are a rough measurement of an angle. Then, each degree can be cut into 60 smaller measurements. These are called minutes. Measuring minutes gets pretty precise. But if you are measuring a long distance, that can still lead to errors. So each minute can be cut into 60 seconds. First, use the target sight to get a rough alignment to the rod. Then, look through the sight until the reticle lines up on the rod. Then, when you look in the reading window sight, you will see that the bottom two boxes show the azimuth readings. Next, read the degrees by looking at the number that has both of its lines around one of the numbers above it. Here you see 245 brackets the number 50. 246 is off on its own to the side. Third, read the minutes by looking at the number above the degrees that counts by tens. In this case it is 50. So a rough reading is 245 degrees and 50 minutes. Finally, we will refine the reading using the middle scale box. Read the minutes in the top line, and add that to your minutes from before. Here it is 3 minutes more. So 245 degrees and 53 minutes. Add the seconds by estimating the bottom marker. Here I estimate just a little less than 20. Say 18. So my final azimuth reading is 245 degrees, 53 minutes, and 18 seconds. So now you have seen how to read the azimuth scales on a theodolite. Don't worry if it seems hard, because it is. But with practice, you'll get it right every time. And be sure to look for another video about what knobs to use on the theodolite to focus in on the rod, and to make the scales that you see here appear.